Good morning and welcome to your favorite lifestyle channel. Again, my name is Francis, and today we're going to be having first impressions video for our new perfume. Kakabili ko lang kanina. And this is your Rayhan Crimson. Okay, so kanina ko ba nabili tong Rayhan Crimson natin? This is from Westworld Souk, dyan sa may Kalayaan Avenue. If you want their link, and if you're interested in buying Middle Eastern perfumes, I'm pretty sure they would be able to supply perfumes for you. Okay? So, bakit ko nga babili itong Rayhan Crimson? I was intrigued because ang sabi dito, meron siyang smoky or tobacco scent. And amongst all of the perfumes, I think this is the first time na makakaroon tayo ng tobacco scent. Alright, so let's go ahead and have the first impression of this perfume. Okay, so as you can see, sa packaging pa lang napakaganda na, as the same as with our other Rayhan perfumes na na-review before, right? And in front, you can see Rayhan Crimson, tapos tong kanyang box, nagsa-slide siya, dalawa. This one is butas-butas siya, kita nyo. And color red siya, or crimson. Okay, so the next one is sa loob nung kanyang box, meron siya ulit na box, and it's gray in color somehow. And meron siya sa ilalim na nakalagay na batch number, and I think this is an expiry date. Okay, and sa harapan, of course, Rayhan Crimson. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the box. All right, let's go ahead and check on the perfume. Okay, ang ganda pa rin niya. Ang ganda ng pagka-red niya. Para siyang bloody red. Okay, or parang maroon na siya actually. Tapos meron siyang bote sa loob na glass. Okay, and then sa labas, plastic. And this, again, it says Rayhan in front, and then same as the one on the cap. Okay, the cap, medyo magaan lang siya. Alright, and medyo loose. And yung ating sprayer or atomizer is black. And let's go ahead and test this out and see kung ano yung ating maamoy from this perfume. First time natin gagawin to. So, ang sabi sa Fragrantica, the Rayhan Crimson would have the main accords of warm, spicy, vanilla, cinnamon, amber, soft, spicy, sweet, and aromatic. Okay? And in terms of the notes, sabi dito sa Fragrantica, meron siyang cinnamon, pink pepper, cardamom, patchouli, tonka bean, benzoin, and vanilla. Okay, so let's go ahead and test our Crimson. Okay. So, yung ating spray, let's see, maganda ba yung kanyang sprayer? Oh, ganda. Ganda ng buga niya. Malaki-laki yung area ng kanyang spray. Okay. And, wow, grabe. Pagka open pa lang niya, naamoy na natin yung kanyang cinnamon. Tapos, yun nga, I think that's pink pepper right there. First time ko makakaamoy ng pink pepper and cardamom. And meron din siyang, yung patchouli. Patchouli, I was able to smell that already on my previous fragrances. And benzoin, yes. And yung vanilla, medyo lang. Hindi naman siya yung parang nangingibabaw as it's part of the base notes right there. Okay. Okay, it's slightly warm. Or, yeah, it's warm. It's something na you can wear on a date night. Siguro panggabi. Alright. Hindi pa natin alam yung performance, of course. This is the first time that we're testing this perfume. So, we'll get into a full review soon. We'll test it out and see how it performs out in the wild. Alright, so that's it muna for today's video. It's just a very quick first impression of Rayhan. What's the name again? Crimson. And so far, so good. I actually am getting accustomed to warmer perfumes, yung ating mga perfumes na may pagka smoky, vanilla, and benzoin, and mga ganun, and peppery. So we'll see how it gets along. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have any suggestions, questions, or anything that you'd like for me to review, leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to get back to you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.